Imagine reversing fatty liver disease with something as simple as a bowl of elderberries. Sounds too good to be true. Science says otherwise. Fatty liver, a growing health concern, is linked to obesity, diabetes, and poor diet. But what if a natural, delicious remedy exists? Research now proves that elderberries can help combat this condition. Let's dive into the science behind it. Fatty liver disease, also known as NAFLD, affects nearly 25% of the global population. It occurs when excess fat accumulates in liver cells, leading to inflammation and potential liver damage. However, recent studies suggest elderberries may hold the key to reversing this condition. Elderberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to liver damage. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that anthocyanins improved liver function and reduced fat accumulation in individuals with NAFLD. Research suggests that elderberries enhance liver detoxification by promoting the production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. This helps flush out fat and toxins stored in liver cells, promoting regeneration. Elderberries also help regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance, two key factors in reversing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Plus, their immune-boosting properties support overall well-being. Adding elderberries to your diet is simple. Try elderberry tea, syrup, or supplements, but always consult your doctor first. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support gives us the confidence to keep creating valuable content for you. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.